Welcome back as we begin part 3, in which a solenoid will be tested. Whenever a starter does not operate via the start control, then we might at first suspect a solenoid fault. There are two basic tests that we can perform, namely a pull-in test and a contact test. Let's first demonstrate the pull-in test. The pull-in test involves disconnecting the solenoid to motor connection in order to isolate the solenoid. We next connect a heavy cable from the motor terminal to a good earth on the test bed. The battery isolator is now switched on and the start button pressed briefly. If the solenoid pulls in, then the unit is working. However, if the pinion or bendix does not pull in, then the solenoid's windings are faulty and we shall have to renew the unit. If the bendix does pull in, but the starter does not operate, then we'll need to perform a contact test. Using a heavy-duty jumper cable, we connect one end to the battery connection. The isolation switch is switched on, and the jumper cable is touched onto the motor terminal. If the motor now operates, then the solenoid contacts are faulty. If the motor fails to operate, then the fault is in the motor. Some types of solenoids can be repaired by replacing the heavy-duty contacts. Again, it is suggested that you practice the test procedures just shown in your own work area. After the break, we shall demonstrate the final test procedure.